Here's the back garden. There's the purple potted famous pole bean hoop house. Look at that, covered. Gonna stay there till next year now. It's all tucked in. Let's go visit the piggies. We had to put up a different fence because the current fence, the top line, is pretty much covered in most areas. So it's not really working. So we put in a mobile one over here. And it's sort of working. But these are the two piggies that wouldn't get on the trailer. So they're sticking around a little bit longer for us to learn from. That's Curly Sue. Hey, Curly Sue. Yeah, there you go. And there's Big Red in there. That's Big Red. That's Big Mama. That's Big Red. Big Mama right there. So, yeah, they're enjoying Winter Wonderland. Oh, bye, guys. Stay cozy. Here's our snow doggy, Chip. Hi, Chip. Good boy.